key minerals that make cottage cheese a superfood. Could this once mocked dairy staple be a secret weapon for your health? For decades, cottage cheese was seen as the sad cousin of the snack world, something you ate when you wanted protein but couldn't afford steak. But today, it's having a major comeback. From trendy brunch spots to TikTok recipes, this creamy, curd-filled cheese is being hailed as a powerhouse of nutrition. But what exactly makes it stand out? Let's break down the 4 key minerals that make it a contender in the health food arena, and why it might not be the perfect choice for everyone. But here's where it gets controversial. Cottage cheese isn't just about taste. It's packed with nutrients that could transform your diet if you know how to use it right. Let's start with the basics. What even is cottage cheese? Imagine milk that's been gently coaxed into curds using heat, acid, or enzymes. These curds are then separated from the liquid whey, rinsed, salted, and sometimes blended with a creamy dressing to create that signature lumpy texture. Unlike aged cheeses like cheddar or brie, cottage cheese is fresh, high in moisture, and meant to be eaten quickly. This freshness preserves delicate nutrients like water-soluble vitamins, giving it a lighter flavor profile and a shorter shelf life. Now, the star of the show, protein. A single half-cup serving delivers 12 to 15 grams of protein, which is roughly equivalent to a chicken breast. For athletes or anyone looking to build muscle, this is a dream come true. Protein isn't just for bulking up. It helps repair tissues, keeps you full longer, and even supports metabolism. And unlike for example, try mixing it into a tuna salad instead of mayo, or use it as a base for a creamy dip that won't guilt-trip you. But the benefits don't stop there. Cottage cheese is also rich in 3 essential minerals: calcium, phosphorus, and selenium. Calcium is the obvious one. It's crucial for strong bones and teeth. Phosphorus, often overlooked, works hand in hand with calcium to build and maintain bone structure, while playing a role in energy production and DNA synthesis. Selenium, the unsung hero, acts as a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and supports thyroid function. Throw in vitamin B12, which your brain and blood cells rely on, and you've got a nutrient trifecta. And this is the part most people miss: the probiotic potential. Some cottage cheeses contain live cultures, which means they can deliver a dose of gut-friendly bacteria. These probiotics help balance your digestive system and may even boost immunity. Just keep in mind that not all brands include them. Check the label for phrases like live and active cultures to ensure you're getting the full benefit. However, cottage cheese isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Here's the catch. Many store-bought varieties are loaded with sodium, and